everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can make Ubisoft account. In order to make Ubisoft account, you'll need to open up a web browser of your choice. After that, on the web address bar, you'll need to type in ubisoft.com. That is going to direct you to the official web page of Ubisoft. In order to get started with, go ahead and click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you've done that, right center output menu appears. So here you'll be able to see login or sign up interface. If you already have an account, enter in your credential or select the method of login in and login into your account. Apart from that, if you don't have an account, go ahead and tap on create an account in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now you'll begin with the creation of your account. So in order to create an account, you'll need to enter in the email address. You need to double type in the email address for the confirmation, create a password, set a username and a date of birth. Now quickly enter in all of these information. Once you're done entering your information, click on create a Ubisoft account right at the bottom. Now you'll need to verify your email address. So for that, a verification code has been sent to the following email address. Open up a new tab and then check for the verification code. Here's the verification code, pin it up and then copy the verification code. After that, click on create account, which is right at the bottom as soon as you're done entering verification code. So as you can see that I'm logged in, which means that the account has been created. In this way, you can create a Ubisoft account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.